What if this were your pet? It is widely known that countless animals are used in drug development. Many accept this as a cruel but necessary trade off, especially if it means saving a loved ones or even ourselves. But can we still ask objectively, is all animal testing truly necessary? Let's pause and reflect again. Have today's advancements in life expectancy and disease prevention really come from animal experiments? According to the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA), 92% of drugs that pass animal testing failed in human trials due to ineffectiveness or dangerous side effects. Furthermore, even among the small percentage of drugs that are approved based on animal data, many have later been withdrawn due to harmful effects on humans. Improvements in lifespan and reduced mortality from disease owe more to better nutrition and hygiene than to animal tested drugs. In fact, improving lifestyle factors like reducing cholesterol intake, avoiding smoking and excessive drinking, and exercising regularly has a greater impact on public health than developing drugs through animal testing. But what about disease like cancer? Isn't this a different matter? Surely, to combat life-threatening illnesses, we must rely on live animal testing only. Despite decades of curing cancer in mice, these results rarely worked in humans. Now, the test new drugs on human cancer cells instead of using over 1 million mice each year. WHO also stressed prevention through health education over new treatments. Animals react differently to substances depending on their species too, often yielding inconsistent results. Penicillin, for example, is lethal to guinea pig but harmless to rabbits. Aspirin kills cats and causes birth defects in rats, mice, guinea pigs, dogs, and monkeys. Morphine, used as a sedative in humans, causes hyperactivity in goats, cats, and horses. Had animal testing been standard practice when penicillin was first discovered, it might never have been approved, highlighting the unreliability of animal data under stress-induced lab conditions. We may not be able to eliminate all animal tests overnight, but if alternative methods already exist and we continue to ignore them, then we must speak out. Modern alternatives such as human cell-based testing, sophisticated simulators, and advanced computer modeling can produce more reliable results at lower cost than traditional animal experiments. Yet, many tests are still conducted on animals out of mere habit or bias. Medical schools in the US now train students with advanced human-based methods. No live animals needed. In the UK, using live animals in medical training is illegal. Animals in laboratories suffer unbearable pain and fear in cold, artificial environments. Their distress is not just physical, it is a constant state of terror. If we imagine our beloved pets or family members enduring such agony, can we still call this the right path? We already have scientific alternatives to replace animal testing. Yet, due to convenience or tradition, countless lives continue to be sacrificed. Research intended to save lives must not come at the cost of other lives. If human life is precious, so must be the lives used in the service of it. Now is the time to make a more ethical choice. The link attached in the PowerPoint is from Cruelty Free International, an organization that shows how even small action can lead to the meaningful change. Please click the link to see how our small efforts, when joined together, can make a big difference. Thank you for listening.